Welcome back again, everybody. Back to another video. Okay, now is the time to put the new fender back on the vehicle. Okay, I told you guys the fender arrived today. All right, so back again. We have 10mm socket to put the screws back in, and I think I'm gonna put one at the top first, and then I'll go ahead and get the hard one. I'm gonna tackle the hard one, the one that belongs up under here. Okay, I think remember this was the screw that went up under there. The only one that was pointy. A lot. I'm putting these clips. I don't want to clean my teeth up. Come on. Don't bite me. Don't bite me. Last one. Alright, the hardest one is out the way. We're gonna go do the one on the inside. Okay, remember the one inside the door had the washer on it? Remember it had the washer? Yes, baby. Ratchet. Yeah, I could pretty much turn this one with my hand. I need a longer extension. I don't know where my other extension is. Thank you.
No problem.
Yes, baby. All right, we got that one out the way.
Thank you.
Now we have.
Thank you.
We're gonna do the bolt.
Thank
right over here next. Alright, we have these four at the top to do now. Okay, let's start right here. Start this one back here. Yeah, this one's third screw. I mean, it's the third bolt. I know I've been saying screw a lot, but it's bolt. Y'all know what I mean. That was easy. Fourth one. Headlight.
Green.
All right. As you guys can see, the fender is back on.
Ouch.
All right, you guys. So we just put the fender back on the vehicle. Stay tuned for next video. I mean, I did just upload about 3, maybe 4 videos back to back. But yeah, this is me putting the fender back on. And we're all set to go. Thank you guys for tuning in. Like I said, if you have any questions, any suggestions, please hit it down in the comment section. And I look forward to my next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and hit the notification bell because it'll let you know every time I upload a video. Like I said, we're going to be uploading a lot. So it's your girl Risha. This Chick Details has been real.